Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Benedict here again from Jacking and Company Associates, and I want us to see how we can sort data frame and sort values within a data frame. So what we'll do, we'll sort a data frame in ascending and descending order, and then we'll also sort a data frame by row index, the row index labels, and then lastly we'll sort data frame by column names. So let me just take you to where we are doing our Python code. So here I have two data frames, and they are coming from both are coming from a dictionary. So if I print the first data frame, you'll see what we have. Print df, then let me call it first data frame. First data frame. Then I also want to print this other data frame, so this one I will call it second data frame. This is df, df2. Let me call this one df1. This is df1. So this is second data. Then in between, let's create a space. So I want to print the two data frames. We see first how they look like is when we can sort by. We want to sort by ascending order and descending order, and we also want to sort by row index labels and column names. So let me print the data frames. So we have these two data frames. So first we want to sort the data frames in ascending order. So what we'll come and do, let me just try to sort the first one, so the second one. So I will come and in between I will say df1 is equal to df1 dot sort you want to sort by column index. So our focus is on the second data frame. We want to see how it appears when we sort by index. So what we'll do, we'll run this code. When I run this code, there is nothing that you'll see because the row index is running from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So by this you might not know how sorting by row index means, but supposing we had maybe we had 5, then 4, the 1, then 2, then 3, such that the index are disorganized, so we can sort by the row index. So I think we'll come and revisit this when we are trying to, after concatenating the data frames, we'll see how we can sort by row index. So now I want us to sort by column. And then after sorting by column, then we want to sort in an ascending order. So here we'll come here and say sort. So instead of writing sort values, sort underscore index, here we'll write sort underscore values. When we are sorting values, we will write sort by. So here I want to sort by. Let's sort by name. Okay. Then now we can also run the code. But first let's run the code to sort by name. So nothing changes. If you check on the name column, okay, we are sorting by name, but which is okay. You can see we have Andy, Damaris, Foster, Felix, Jen, Rizpa. Okay, it's been sorted by name, but now we can also sort by ascending and descending order. So for us to set by ascending order, of which this one is already in ascending order because Andy is the first Andy. For the Andy, the letter A is the first alphabetical letter, followed by D, F, J, and R. So let's first assume we want to set to sort by descending order. So we want to write ascending is equal to false. So when we write ascending is equal to false, it means that we want to sort the data frame in descending order. So again, let's try to run this code. So now you can see the name is starting from Rispa, Jane, Felix, Austin, Damaris, Andy, and all that. Again, we can also sort by country. So when you sort by country, we are sorting by column name. At the same time, we are also sorting in descending order. So let me run this. Now you can see we have USA, UAE, Tanzania, SA, then Kenya. So in descending order, we are starting from USA, UAE, when we sort by country. So when I say ascending is equal to true, it means that now you want to sort them in ascending order. So when you check on the country column, now you can see we have Kenya, we have SA, Tanzania, then UAE. So these they have been sorted, or rather the values have been sorted in ascending order. That's how to sort by column names, other column names, row index labels, and descending and ascending order. So that's all about sorting the columns, or rather sorting the data frame. So when we come back to the next video, we'll see how we can concatenate data frame along the rows and along the columns. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again on the next video.